Why do 60% of construction professionals prefer BIM over CAD? Let's explore CAD versus BIM, key differences and when to use each. First up, computer-aided design or CAD. CAD is your go-to for precise 2D and 3D designs, perfect for drafting and design documentation. It's ideal for simpler projects like home renovations or creating individual building components. Now let's talk about building information modeling, or BIM. BIM takes it a step further with intelligent 3D models that embed valuable project data. It's a game changer for complex, collaborative projects, integrating design, construction, and management into one seamless platform. BIM excels in coordinating between architects, engineers, and contractors, making it invaluable for large-scale projects. So, which should you choose? Whether you're working on a simple renovation or a full-scale project, CAD Construct LLC provides both CAD and BIM support to meet your needs, simplifying design with technology. Contact us today to get started.